Hello, my art viewers. Welcome back to my channel. You are seeing the art of inside impressions, and this is artist Bhavna. And today we are going to see the enhancement part, that is part 2 of the previous tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and I hope you are already ready with your outline. So let's start with the enhancement process. So without any delay, we are using the Camlin brand pencil. Here I prefer using Camlin brand pencil because this is my small artwork and practice work. So please use and choose the tools wisely. Okay, so Camlin and Atlan pencils are really affordable pencils, so you can use either of them. Preferably, we are using the higher grade, that means 2B, or you can use 4B for this line strokes and all. So if you don't have this, if you want this light tones as I'm using, here I'm preferring HB. So this will be so detailed video and I don't skip even my erasing part 2. So I hope that will be so cool and you are so interesting to watch, right? Yes, this is my real time video and this is ultra real time video I can call because I'm not even trimming any part. So using HB we are giving this light strokes all over her hair. First, for drawing hair, you need to first draw perfect directions. And if you draw these directions, your half job is ready. And you can directly, without any delay, you can do next thing so easily. So whenever you are drawing the outline and whenever you are starting to do the directions and whenever you are trying to find out the shadows and highlighting region, those regions and those tasks are really important than actual shading, because when you really don't focus much on the region and the directions, your artwork will be like not at all good, so it will not be up to the mark. So you need to remember these main thumb rules so that you can easily make a realistic output. So always trust and love the process. Don't think this is taking too much time. Let it make simple and don't think this kind of words. These type of thoughts are really harmful to your growth. Don't expect your growth when you are really in that stage. So always do many things. So your reference image will have like you need to draw this flower and you need to do some extra things, but you are not able to do that, means this is hampering your growth. So what is there in your reference image, you need to create replica of the reference image. You need to not use any shortcuts, you should not use any like you can't skip, right? Here it is black, you need to create black only. You can't create like light gray tones and all, you can't leave that, right? You may think these all are really small factors, but these are the most essential factors to your growth. So, trust me, if you follow these 4 to 5 tips, you will be pro in your artwork. Okay, so I hope you understand and we'll come back to our artwork. So here I am using completely HB pencil only, and here you can see how I am giving the details slowly but not hurriedly. Okay, so always keep the patience in your mind and trust the process and welcome the best results. Here we use HB and 6B before, 6B for the outlines and all. So now I completed this other hair part, so I don't want to repeat the process, but here you can understand how I did, so that's why I just skip this. Okay, so next thing we are going to give this highlights using Tombow Mono Zero eraser. So highlights will play a major role. So if you don't have this Tombow Mono Zero eraser, please prefer using other pencil erasers. or else you can also use kneaded eraser, so you can mold it to the different shapes, and that is most important tool in your artwork. If you don't have this kneaded eraser, you need to get it now itself. And yes, we are doing some corrections, so if any corrections, please do make it before when you apply the higher grades. So after applying higher grades, your artwork will be like it is really done and you can't erase it. So please make sure you are just making it correct. Here you need to use simultaneously the different tools, so you need to be spontaneous enough to grab the tool. So don't think twice or thrice before choosing the tool. Yes, this will come from practice only. So if you are thorough with the tools and if you are thorough with the process, you will be like picking easily without any delay. So if you are really beginner, you will be like in confusion what tool you need to use. So yes, I'll be little clear on it. First of all, when you are doing the outlines, choose like H or HB or mechanical pencil of 0.3 or 0.5. Okay, outline thing is done. And next, when you are choosing the enhancement part, you need to start with HB. So HB, you need to give the directions. So find directions using HB will enhance your part easily, and you can change the direction in between also when you think you are wrong. As we are dealing with the outlines and enhancement part, you can easily alter the things. But when you are doing the hyper realistic artwork, when you are doing the layering part, there you need to really be careful, because the enhancement and the layering part will be the difficult process, and when you try to erase it, here all existing layers like 2, 3, 4 or 5 or many, that will be vanishing, and that is the biggest headache process. So make sure you're practicing as a beginner perfectly. So don't delay, so try to minimize the usage of eraser. So how you can do this? You can do this only using the normal observation process. So whatever you are trying to do, please observe thoroughly and then only do. So here you can see, right, I applied just a powder, so that is nothing but a charcoal powder, so extracted from the smooth charcoal pencil of Camlin brand. Here on the lines, stripes, we are using 10B grade Camlin pencil. So as a beginner, I used to not at all use this powders and all. So but remember one thing, when you try to use the normal layering technique everywhere, that will be really not good process. So when you need to choose layering process, means you need to choose layering process on the skin. When you are dealing with textiles, hair and all, you can directly skip some layers. When you are dealing with textiles, you can directly bring the dark tones, because layering doesn't matter, right? So why you waste your time? You should not waste your time. But when you are doing the skin texture and all, you need to definitely do the layering process. And here we are using 10B grade directly, because our perfect outlines are already done using HB grade, right? So you can directly use this 10B. And yes, you can, here I'm using the 2B. So 2B for this strokes, for this hair. So you can also use HB, but it will be more light enough, so try to choose 2B or HB. Here I did with HB, but I think I need to do with other grade also. Let's see, or else we'll leave in this way. So after blending, it's looking perfect. Okay, so next hair, next bun. So this is really simple artwork, and I hope you really enjoyed and you learned many tricks, right? So if you're seeing this video for the first time, and if you want to see many real-time videos on my channel, you can just open my channel and you can enjoy 150 plus videos on my channel. and I hope you will learn many things, and every video will be real time, and tricks, tips, and home materials. I mean, homemade things. Many are there. You can learn. You can learn milk mocha playlist. You can learn female portrait playlist. You can also enjoy this Kristen drawing of 1 hour, nearly 1 hour, 58 minutes. I mean, so you can enjoy all the videos on my channel. And if you're new to my channel, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to tap the bell icon. The bell icon is the most important element, and you should not miss any updates. So stay tuned, stay connected, stay happy, stay safe, happy learning, and we'll meet for the next video. Bye.